Hi students, today we will discuss on the chapter Managing the Desktop, and the points that we will cover will be identifying the features of our desktop, and secondly, how do we change the desktop background of our desktop. So let's proceed. This is our desktop. The picture that you can see here is our desktop. So what is the desktop? When you have switched on your computer, you have entered your password, you will get this screen. The screen that you get is your desktop. Now, what do we have on our desktop? You will see the small images. These small images, or you can say pictures, these are called icons, or these are called icons. And we have three different types of icon. First, let's see file icon. File icon is used to represent the work we save on our computer. For example, you save a Word document, an Excel document, a PowerPoint document, or even a PDF. Any file that you save will be represented in terms of a file icon. Even we can say that a picture that you save is also a file icon. So let's observe as in the picture I have provided you. Let's look at the file icon that we can see here. We have this BCS examination, C Delta. This is a Word document. This is a PDF. Copy N is a Word document. Unsigned magnitude is a PDF. Online tuition.jpg, this is a picture, and it also is represented by a file icon. We say it is a file icon. Now let's see program icon. Program icon, you obtain it after installing a new program on your computer. For example, you have this program Dev, C++, Dropbox, Zoom, AVG Secure browser. This is used to access internet. You have TeamViewer, you have Kotobi Reader, you have Skype, you have Scratch2. These are program icons. Now let's look at the last type of icon. It is folder icon. Folder icon comes from the folders that you have created on your computer. For example, this is a folder CD. This is another folder, graduation photo. This one, you have green IT. It is another folder. Mouse activity here. This is another folder. All the folders created here are represented by a folder icon. Now let's see at the bottom. At the bottom, you have the taskbar. The taskbar starts from the start button and it ends near the time and date, or from the start button to the time. It is called the taskbar. Now let's proceed. In your taskbar, what do we have? We have our start button. These are the programs that are found on the taskbar, and on its right hand side you will obtain the notification area. This is your taskbar. And let's observe the notification area. You will see the time, date, the type of keyboard you are using, whether you are obtaining Wi-Fi, whether your laptop or computer is charged, sound, everything. These are found in notification area. Now, in this picture, this is your desktop. At the back of the desktop, you will see a picture of globe of green color. This is called the desktop background. Now, how can we change the desktop background? The first step is to right click on, there is an error here, it is right click on the desktop. You must right click on the desktop. Let me show you. When you right click, you must choose personalize. When you right click, you will obtain these options and you must choose personalize. Then after you choose personalize, you click on background, or if you are already on background, then you choose a picture that you want to apply as desktop background. That's it. After that, you click on personalize. You obtain this screen. Okay, you obtain this screen, and we are already on background. Therefore, what we do, we choose a picture available here, or we can also search for another picture. This we will discuss a bit after, but for the meantime, you can choose any picture from here. For example, if I want to apply the picture orange fruit as my background, I must click on it, and after clicking, it will automatically apply the picture as my desktop background. And you can also verify it by going on your desktop. Therefore, the orange must become my desktop background as I have chosen this picture. Now, this is generally. Now, if I provide you with a picture, I tell you, set the picture A as your desktop background. So how will you do it? You must right-click on the picture I have provided you, and then you click on Set as Desktop Background. Let's proceed. For example, I want that this picture, sugarcane Madagascar foodie, becomes my desktop background. What must I do? I must right-click on the picture, sugarcane Madagascar, and then I must click on Set as Desktop Background. As soon as you click on Set as Desktop Background, you will obtain it as your desktop background. Let's do another example for you. I say that you want the chocolat as your desktop background. You right click on it and then you click on Set as Desktop Background. Now we want to verify. We close this. Let's go on our desktop. Here is our desktop. It is the picture of chocolat. I hope you have understood how you can set your desktop background or even change it to another one. You can use any picture you want. For example, if you want your picture, you must have a copy of your picture on your computer. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thanks for your attention.